What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcos, and today we got our hands on the new iPhone 12, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing and show you what's inside. This is the box. Nothing much. Pretty clean box from iPhone. Very small. It's half the size of a regular box. I'll bring my iPhone 11 box real quick just so we can compare. But yeah, let's check this out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before we start. Like the video so YouTube suggests this video to more people, and it helps out the channel. So let's get started. All right, so here we have the boxes. Here's my iPhone 11 box, and here's my iPhone 12 box. So you can tell it's smaller. So the reason it's smaller is because you won't be getting headphones anymore. So no more headphones and no more travel adapter, the one that goes into the wall. You will only get a cable, a brand new cable, and the phone, and that's it. So here's the comparisons of the box: iPhone 11, iPhone 12. All right, so what's in the box? Pretty much in the box, this is what we get. We get the iPhone itself. We took the little shrink wrap off, so here's the iPhone itself. We get just the cable. We still get the sticker, the famous iPhone stickers in here. Here's the sticker. Here's the SIM card opener, SIM card slot pusher. Nothing else. There's nothing else in here. Just cable, lightning cable, and I believe it's a Type-C lightning cable. So these are supposed to charge faster, which sucks because if you don't have one of these, you're gonna have to buy an adapter. So according to Apple, is to save on the carbon footprint, so they're trying to be more green and not have that much stuff and that much cables and adapters out there in the world. So good for them, I guess. Bad for us because we gotta buy a new cable. I mean, a new adapter. Let's turn this puppy on. So iPhone 12. Love the color, the new color. What is this called? What kind of color is this? It's a blue. You still get the two cameras. On the left side you get, or on the right side you get the power button, sleep button. That's just an empty hole. On the left side you get the SIM card slot, the silent trigger. You also get the volume rocker. On the top you get nothing. On the bottom you get the lightning charger hole. No headphone jack on these because they're waterproof. Yep. Right, so here on the left side we do have the iPhone 12. On the right side we have my wife's iPhone 11. So size wise they look about the same. They both have the camera on the right in front of the speaker. Software is the same. Let me see if I can put them side by side. So iPhone 11, iPhone 12, they're about the same. This one's more square where this one has the rounded edges. They both have the back camera. So similar precision on the cameras, two cameras, and then the middle flash, and I don't know what this is, sensor or speaker. So very similar. So this one has rounded edges, also rounded edges, but more of a square edge. iPhone 12 on the left, iPhone 11 on the right. If we were to lay the iPhone 12 in front of it, you can see that the iPhone 11 slightly, it has like this extra border that's coming out of. So like, yeah, I guess they save some room with the square edges. So according to Apple's website, pretty much iPhone 12 and iPhone 11, they rock the same size screen. The new iPhone 12 is a Super Retina XDR display. Now the iPhone 12 has 5G speeds. iPhone 11 only gets 4G LTE. Camera is about the same, ultra wide on both. 2x optical zoom range. So the iPhone 12 has a new chip called the A14, where the iPhone 11 only has the A13, which is last year's chip. Battery life, about the same thing, about 17 hours on the battery life. Face ID on both. So something new on the iPhone 12, it says ceramic shield front, 4 times better drop performance, aerospace grade aluminum. Aerospace, wow. So same, they both have aerospace aluminum, square aluminum. They're both water resistant. iPhone 12 6 meters, iPhone 11 2 meters up to 30 minutes. Cool thing about the new iPhone 12s, they got this new MagSafe feature where you certain magnets will be able to attach to it. I think that's better. I think that one thing I didn't like about wireless chargers was that if you wanted to use your phone, you really needed to pick up your phone and pick it up from the wireless charger. I'm guessing now with this MagSafe charger, this one's going to be stuck to the phone with the magnet, so you'll be able to use your phone as you're charging it, compared to before. If you had it on the wireless charger, you wouldn't be able to pick it up without stoppage of charging. So very cool. So quick overview, these are the specs. Liquid Retina HD display on the 11, Super Retina XDR display on the 12. So so pretty much the features. Here's the weight size. So iPhone 11 is a little bigger, I think, in height. So just like I showed in the video right now, you can fit the iPhone 12 inside on top of the iPhone 11. Weight, they drop significantly. So iPhone 12 5.78 ounces, and then the iPhone 11 6.84. Kind of like that because I hate heavy phones. I don't know, maybe I've been using phones for too long. Or so 4K video on both, 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second on both. So very similar camera. Both front-facing cameras are 12 megapixel cameras. So very cool. So very similar device. I guess the major difference is now, you know, the kind of the edges on the iPhone are a lot more square, like the iPhone 4S, 5S, where the iPhone 11 was more round, more of a round edge. So, but it looks like they're saving room with it, and it looks like they're saving some weight with it, so that's pretty cool. Face ID on both, video calling on both. So very similar devices. Battery life's about the same thing, 17 hours, 11 hours, 10 hours for video playback. So what does it say? Fast charge capable. So you can see they save room by making the edges more square, where this one's more round, so you can see it's wider. So all right, guys, so that was a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12. You can pretty much want to go side by side, look at the iPhone 11, iPhone 12 first look, and show some comparisons out of the box. But other than that, it was just a quick video. My name is Marcos. Here's my channel. Support the channel. Marcos TV so far, that's the name of the channel right now. We do many unboxings and many pretty much stuff that I buy, stuff that I sell, and stuff that I get my hands on that we can unbox. So support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. Thank you for watching. This is Marcos. Have a good one.